Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error on gcash app like no internet connection. So how you can fix this issue. So it's a very simple steps. So you need to open your Play Store, and once you open your Play Store you need to type like gcash, and once you get this screen you will see there is an option like open. So you don't need to open it right now, so you need to click on uninstall. Okay, so you need to click on uninstall this app, and now once again you will see this window uninstall, and you need to uninstall this application and now again install this application, and it will take some time and all depends on your internet speed. Maybe it will take like 2 or 3 minutes, or maybe it will take like some seconds. So as you can see, our downloading is complete, and this will take like approx 2 or 5 to 10 seconds max to max. And once it will complete downloaded, and you need to wait for some time, it will open. It will show you an option like open. Okay, so now you can see open your application, and once you click on open app it will show you this kind of window, and you need to click on OK. You need to be very careful on this screen, because due to this you can say problem, your application will not work many times. So while using this app and allow be very careful, like you need to click on allow. Okay, allow limited access. You don't need to click on the second one, you need to click on the first one, second one option. Okay, don't click on first one option, click on second one option, allow, and that's it. Now you will don't see this kind of, you can say, error in your you can say gcash app like no internet connection. You will not see this time. Okay, so by using this method you can easily fix how you can say fix this issue. Okay, so thanks for watching this video, my dear friends. Bye bye.